Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to hide story suggestions on Snapchat. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to go to Snapchat and log into your account. Once logged in, on the bottom menu towards the right of it you'll see a discover or for you option. Click on it. Once over here, if you like a suggestion you would like to hide, just tap and hold on it. Now here you will see option for I don't like, report snap or hide, and you can choose any one of these. You can also go to their profile and on the top right inside click on the three dots and then click on hide this content. You can also limit the people who can send you stories. So first of all, go to the settings of your Snapchat account. Once in settings, go under account action, and then over here you'll see an option for contact me. Click on it. Now here just click on friends. You can also turn off notifications of new stories of specific people. So for that, just go to the chat section. Once over there, just long press on the person you would like to remove, then click on manage friendship, and then just click on remove friend. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.